Hey guys, today we're playing a little bit of Flood Survival on Roblox, and we're gonna have a little fun. So, yeah, oh shoot, we gotta find a house now. Let's go to the top of this place. I think this Baconham probably is teaching me the way, but I shouldn't listen to him because why should I? I have a right not to, but I'm gonna to anyway. It's found. Now, at the same time, I don't even know why I'm doing this because the building can fall. And that's a bad thing for them to do. Oh, our building fell. We're the only ones alive. So I'm getting over here. I feel like it's gonna fall. Okay. Get in! Oh, yeah! I mean, I think we have a little bit of speed. Oh, great. I think I need a little bit of help, but... Yeah, what? I gotta look away. I shouldn't have that be shown in the video. I don't know why. It shouldn't be shown. Why is it shown? Is she still saying? Yeah, I shouldn't look at her because she just cussed and I can't show in the video. I don't know how to censor it out, but this is already done good. Yep, I want to show some video so bad. My legs were cut off. That isn't good. I understand right here, so because I'm much shorter and I don't live without legs. I can't. Somehow I'm still living with legs. Also, I fit 15 Robux on the t-shirt. Yeah, 15 if you don't know. Oh, that place is about to fall. I feel like it's about to fall any minute. Which is why I'm going down here to risk my life. I don't know why I just did. I actually probably was going to die. Yes! Take that. I need a little bit of help actually because my arm is broken. Man, can y'all help me? Close to the chat. Dude, can you help me? I'm actually kind of need a little bit of help. I actually do need a lot of help actually. We gotta find the tallest place. It's oh shoot, is it right? This is not it. You can't be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. I'm going right here. I don't know why. This is the only place I can get. I actually might die. I actually think I'm gonna die this round. Yep, I knew it. But I had no idea. I had no other choice but to choose today. How much points? 20 points. 20 points. 13? 500. What? What Robux is a balloon cost? 21 Robux. No. Points. 31 Robux. No. Not paying that. Not. No. No, should I pay that? Oh, shoot. Wasteland. Wasteland the map chosen. I should go down back to the little steps again. Oh, shoot. This actually might be a bad one. Which I know the idea now, and now I can just climb on it, I guess. Almost get hit by it. I guess kind of like cutting off my legs. Cut them off? This is the hard one. When anyone cuts off my legs, I gotta jump for it. No, I got me! I was about to say I want my legs cut off bad like it did the other time. I want my legs cut back off. I really like that actually. But no, I can't. I don't think I can get that. I had 15 Robux in this t-shirt. I don't know why I did, but I wanted it and I kind of like it. Fit 15, I've never showed it. Yeah. I've never showed it. I spent 15 Robux. I don't even know why I had to. I just liked it. And I'm not gonna copy the image because I couldn't find it. I had to have this. Yeah, of course. I had to have it. I spent it. I love it. But we ought to just wait, listen. Oh god, I found it. You gotta be kidding me. But I want my legs cut off too. Like the old me. No, I may actually just mess this up. Sure, I might just miss. I think I actually just messed myself up. But will my legs be sacrificed? Oh! I lost a leg. I lost a leg. I should have been happy with what I got, but I didn't. I wasn't happy. I'm not happy. Probably would have died anyway, because did the airplane when he died? She just jumped, but it's still stable. Yep, I would have died. She might have died too. We don't know. She can still die. I don't even. Does she have legs? Man, I lost one. I missed it. Who won it? 20 points, 2 survivals. Come on, let me go. Map's children forest. Any ladles this time? Oh, bust you. This is not a forest. I don't think it is. Oh, shoot, there's a ladle. Ladle buster. The ladle buster. I don't know how I'm supposed to. Oh, shoot, this is what you better kill me. No, man, are you kidding me? Boy, I swear. Don't you dare do that. No, I died! Oh no, I wanted to get it. I want to have my legs cut off so bad. I'm gonna have my legs cut off again before I end the video. I mean. Oh. Hey guys, today we'll be doing another video on Roblox of me playing on the just playing Slug Survival. I did it and I messed up and somebody cussed in it, so I had to. Somebody cussed and I had to just restore the image, sing me again, but I didn't want to. Map chosen farm. I got my legs cut off, but I'm gonna try to get my legs cut off again. I'm gonna go down. I think this is better right now. I think I just stay here and I get my legs cut off. But now when it comes, I can just do this and I hope my legs get cut off. Now let's do it like this. I just hope my legs get cut off this time. No, I'm hoping. I hope the flood will come. Oh, it did. My legs and my arms. Oh my gosh. Oh, this will be hard because I have to now climb up ladders. Hope I can. See, I'm doing pretty good. Now, Buster. If this house tips upside down, I actually might be done. But Buster, hope I'm good. Buster, might actually be good. Buster. Oh yeah. Nobody else could have had no arms and no. I need a little help, Buster. Yeah, this. Buster, come here, Buster. Can you come here, Buster? Come on, I spent 15 Robux on this T-shirt, and I'm not getting that back. Yeah, y'all heard me. Oh shoot, did I just mess that up? I think I might just messed it up. Can I climb it? Please, I have no arms and hands. This doesn't give me a disability. Oh my god, I can still climb it. I'm actually really lucky. I thought it was going to give me like a disability I had to live with, and I didn't want that disability, or else it would be bad. It could have been a bad disability. Yeah, I'm not accepting your friend request. Does he know I do YouTube? Does he know I do YouTube? I'm not doing that. I feel like he doesn't know. But he may know. Buster! I can't help it. Oh god, he left. He left! My friend! You're my best friend. I don't want to actually cover it up because I think she's new, so I don't say it, but yeah. I'm still alive. I have a disability. Why are you my B-E-S-T, best F-N-D. You're my best friend. You're my best friend. You're my best friend. I can't help it. Shoot, no. I gotta cover it up now because I think she cussed it. Oh, shoot, actually got. My disability is giving me a problem. That isn't good. Disabilities won't stop me. That or nothing. Nothing can stop me, even though I have disabilities. My hands and arms have disappeared. They won't exactly last the longest. Buster. Oh, shoot. We might actually be dead. I actually might be dead. I actually might be dead. Buster. Bleed, Buster. I don't want to die. Oh, shoot. She's dead. No! I died! How? Oh, buddy, you had this same disability I did. The 50 is a parachute. Quick potion. We'll buy it. It's Aladdin thing from the new movie Aladdin. It isn't the fastest. I just get a little bit faster. Bust! But we gotta pick the playground. I'm not picking that. A lot of people think, oh, let's go to that one. No, it's unstable. It's very unstable. You're gonna die. Bet you you're gonna die. I just bet you. I bet you're gonna die. Buster. You're gonna die, sir. I know. Just watch. Just watch this. You're gonna die, but you could possibly die. If you win a match with the most, that's gonna be weird if you die or somehow win. Yep! Told you, I told you, I told you, I told you. What did I tell you? What did I tell? Oh my god, I might be lucky. If I survive. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no! I had my legs get cut off. Staying on like one platform, I could have survived, but maybe I didn't wanna. Man, I could have bought a green balloon and survived the entire land, but y'all chose not to. What? I drink my quick potion because now I gotta get some speed up. I found a spot. I'm gonna get in my. Oh yeah, boy, I know the spot. I'm taking the spot, but I'm gonna cut off my legs. Look how my legs get cut off. Buster. Move. Noob. Oh god, I bet you might die. I bet you how my legs get cut off. Me legs. No, I was trying to get my legs cut off. I'm gonna get the hairpin again. I'm gonna have the hairpin, but I might have actually about to end the video here, but maybe not actually. Because we're at 11 minutes, almost at 15, and we have to have it be found. I don't even have it done, but I'm gonna go back in a minute, and I'm gonna upload another video this in the same day today. Maybe tomorrow. No, I'm gonna upload another video this today. I have to. After this one, we'll do another video. I promise. I'm doing it today, and I'm gonna upload. It's gonna be hard. I promise. I'm actually gonna do this one round. I'm gonna upload this one, and I'm gonna continue playing the other one. And I'm gonna upload that one. Oh god, my legs need to be cut off again. I forgot, boy. I forgot, Busty. You gotta be kidding me. Let me go down. I actually really want to get down. Come on, legs. Get my legs cut off. No, man, I'm gonna get my. I think I have my. Yeah, I have my legs cut off. I don't know why they won't cut off fully, but I guess I have to end the video here, guys. So bye.